If you want to speed up and optimize Realme GT 8 Pro, then in that case we can use the phone manager, which has lots of different tools that allow you to optimize or speed up the phone. For example, when we turn on the phone manager, we can see the points for the system condition, and you can tap on optimize in order to clean up your phone, to optimize the privacy, and so on and so forth. And once you are done with optimization over here, we can also find some additional recommended optimizations, such as the storage cleanup, system boost, and we can also perform a virus scan. And in this case, so what we can do is we can, for example, use the system boost in here. Of course, we can also find it in the main menu in this place, and this allows you to quickly clean up the memory of your phone, which in theory should result in a speeded up phone. Besides that, in tools, we, for example, can find the performance booster information. And of course, it is also available, for example, when we turn on the GT mode in battery settings, which I'm going to show you in a second. And I believe that is actually all that we can do in here. There's also the system boost, but that is exactly the same thing. But like I said, we also have the GT mode. So if we go to the battery, then over here we can find the GT mode, which allows you to significantly improve the phone's performance. However, of course, the power consumption will be increased. So you need to keep that in mind. And besides that, we can also go to About Device and proceed to the RAM settings in order to find the RAM expansion, which you can actually increase up to 12 gigabytes. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.